assets or what you are telling first? Assets, land and building. See, for that adjustment is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Depreciation return of something is there
Yes,
for
sir.
land, right? So I need working note. Which one now? Land and building. It's a asset. So to balance. Brought down, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the total amount? 4 lakh, closing now?
4,80,000.
By balance carried up 4 lakh 18,000. Next what?
Machinery.
Machinery. Machinery also is there. Correct, right? Written now. This is written out. So I am writing to balance. Brought down how much now?
3,60,000.
3 lakh 60,000. Then
2,60,000.
by balance carried out 2 lakh. Next stop.
Stop.
Stock. See, stock one adjustment is there. For stock one adjustment, right?
Yes, sir.
There is company issuing new shares. On that they are not collecting amount. Instead of they are collecting what? Stock. Correct, right? Adjustment read on that line now.
Asset of another company purchased for a consideration of rupees 1 lakh payable by the issue of shares.
Issue of shares, right?
Yes, sir.
Payable by the issue of shares. Stock and data.
And the assets include buildings and stock.
See, company is issuing new shares. Company is issuing new shares. For that they are receiving what? Land and building as well as stock. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Land and building as well as stock they are receiving. Debit what comes in?
Credit what goes out.
I am receiving land as well as
Stock.
building. Land account data, building account data, two equity share, right?
Yes, sir.
Debit what comes in?
Credit what goes out.
So land account data, stock account data, two equity share. Correct, right, ma?
Yes, sir.
So, if you want, I'll prepare stock account. It's not necessary, so I'm not preparing. Stock I'll add directly only. Correct, right? See, working capital. This is current assets, right? Current assets. You know, stock. What amount of opening amount? 2 lakh plus this one. See, I'm issuing shares. Instead of what I am collecting? Stock, right? Stock value is increased. Stock value is what?
Increase.
Before what is what?
2 lakh.
2 lakh. Now 2 lakh 50. See, I am writing not 2 lakh, 2 lakh 50 I am writing because stock is added now. Some more stock added, right? Because of company is issuing shares, on that the company is receiving stock. So before how much?
2 lakh.
2 lakh plus 50. What is the closing amount?
2 lakh.
2 lakh.
52,000.
So now difference is 2,000.
Yes, sir.
Check once.
Yes, sir.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
2 lakh 50 plus 2 lakh 52, increase amount 2,000. Next what, ma?
Debtors.
Debtors, current assets. What value?
1 lakh 60.
1 lakh 60, then
1 lakh 20.
1 lakh
28.
28.
Yes, sir.
So increase amount
Decrease.
32,000.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Bank.
bank
1 lakh 4,000.
1 lakh 4,000.
18,000.
18,000. Decrease, right? How much money is there?
86,000.
86.
Yes, sir.
Check one.
Yes, sir.
86. Next what? Next assets.
Liabilities.
Assets is over, huh?
Yes, sir.
So don't miss anything. Assets is over, right?
Yes, sir.
In asset side.
Yes, sir.
Nothing is left out. Correct, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
liability. What was liability first? From beginning only we will tell.
Share
Capital. So we are preparing equity share capital account data, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
something affected on equity shares, so I am writing. So it's a liability. I should start from by, right?
Yes, sir.
Opening balance, by balance.
Brought down.
How much?
4 lakh.
4 lakh. To balance. Carry down.
5 lakh.
5 lakh. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Next to
General resource.
general
Reserve.
reserve. Increase, right? By
Yes, sir.
comparing, it is increase.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Last year, how much more?
80,000.
80,000. This year,
1,40,000.
where in concentrate. Last year,
80,000.
80,000. This year, 1,40,000. So again, we are keeping. We are transferring there, right? From profit, we are transferring, no, ma? Correct, no, ma? From general reserve what? From profit, we are transferring some amount.
Yes, sir.
We are keeping some amount as general reserve. It's a non-operating expenditure, right? getting operating expenditures, not related to business. After business only you are collecting amount, right?
Yes, sir.
Profit. That profit we are transferring some amount as what? General reserve. So it is not a current assets. It's a adjusted profit and loss account. Whatever non-recurring expenditure, so non-operating expenditure I should write in debit side, right?
Yes, sir.
From profit we are giving. From profit we are
Giving.
transferring. So to general reserve, how much? How much we are increasing?
60.
Last year how much is there?
80,000.
This year
140.
increase, right?
Yes,
We are
sir.
transferring some amount. 60,000 now.
Yes, sir.
Next what?
Profit and loss account.
So profit and loss account. So we are preparing first account. Profit and loss account we are preparing. So it's a liability. I should write by balance. Brought down. What is opening balance?
64,000.
64,000. To balance. Carried down.
78,000.
Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Bank loan.
Bank loan. See last year how much now?
3,20,000.
This year.
80,000.
See, last year I took some loan. Last year I took some loan. Company took some loan. This year reduced because of I paid, right?
Yes.
Last year I took loan. That is the current rate one.
Yes.
Now this year I paid something. How much I paid? Difference amount total. 2 lakh 40 I paid this year. That's why the liability reduced. Last year some loan is there. This year I paid. For that reason it is decreased, right?
Yes, sir.
So application of funds. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Application of funds. From amount I am giving. What for loan paid? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Loan paid. How much?
2,40,000.
Next to
Credit, sir.
see. So current liability B. What one? Last year?
3 lakh.
3 lakh. This year?
2,60,000.
2 lakh 60 decrease, right?
Yes, sir.
Decrease column. Provision for taxation. Provision for taxation. Tax paid is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Adjustment tax paid is there. Tax
Yes,
paid.
sir. During the
During the year tax paid something amount is there. So I am considering provision for tax account. So
income tax paid.
by balance, it's a liability.
Yes, sir.
By balance brought down
60,000.
60,000. To balance carried down
80,000.
80,000. Next one. Next one. Now adjustment.
Yes, sir.
Keep in mind double entry. Adjustments are
Double entry.
what adjustment are?
During the year,
Ah.
we paid dividend of rupees 84,000.
Dividend paid rupees
84,000.
Sushmita, right? What was this entry? Where I should pass? Dividend paid. First entry where?
Fund flows.
Fund flow statement. Where?
Sources.
Source of fund. Sushmita, you are paying or you are receiving?
Paying.
Then sources of funds means what? Company is receiving. Application means what? Company is paying. Paying or receiving now?
Paying, sir.
Paying. Dividend paid.
Application.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Application. Oh, sorry. What was it? Dividend paid, huh?
paid, yes,
Application
sir.
of funds. So dividend paid. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it right? Dividend paid. Dividend paid. How much now? 84,000.
84,000.
huh? One entry is over. Correct, right? One more entry. Renuka where?
Equity share capital, sir.
One more entry.
Here, sir.
Where?
Adjusted.
Adjusted
Profit and loss account,
So it's a
debit side.
non-operating expenditure, not related to business. Correct, right?
Yes,
Non-operating expense we should write
Debit
here
side.
only. Two dividend paid. How much now? 84,000. Next to
Assets of another company.
assets of another company.
They purchase for consideration.
Land account data, asset, stock account data, land account data to equity share. See, I am preparing equity share. See, I am preparing equity share. I will recall journal entry. Land account data, land account data, stock account data to equity. Correct, right? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So we are preparing equity share. So I should write by, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, Amma?
Yes.
By what?
Land
and building. How much now?
50,000.
Stock.
By stock
50,000.
50,000. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Land account debtor, stock account debtor, 2 equity. So 2 I am not writing. Instead of opposite I am writing, right?
Yes, sir.
Buy land, buy stock I wrote. 1 entry. This is 1 entry, right?
Yes,
I should pass one more entry. So we are preparing land and building account, right?
Yes, sir.
Buy becomes
2.
Equity
Two
share.
equity share capital. How much, ma'am?
50,000.
See, this also I should transfer, right?
Yes.
Stock already is transferred there. Double entry, right? 50,000 added now there only.
Yes, sir.
Now it's over, right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Equity share adjustment is over. 2 entries over. Next up,
Income
Income
tax.
income tax
paid.
paid. See, paid this back
Paid.
to bank. Income tax.
Paid.
Bracket to rate. Income tax paid.
Sir.
How much now?
70,000.
70,000. See, I am telling, if in adjustment they'll give during the year, make a provision for tax something. This is paid amount. Tax paid, provision is different. So, paid you write debit side, provision you write credit side. They are telling provision. In case of adjustment, they will mention ma. What ma?
Provision.
This here income tax paid. 1 entry is all right.
Yes, sir.
Look sir, one more entry. No, where is it? Income tax paid. One. I wrote 1 entry. One more entry.
Cash.
Income tax paid. I said amount paid received you write here only. Where? Paying no. So not expenditure paying. So directly you write here only. Income tax paid.
Yes, sir.
See this application of funds. Income tax paid. See in case provision I am telling. In adjustment they will provide something provision for this year they are telling. So I wrote here by provision or by adjusted profit and loss account. Immediately that should transfer to
Adjusted profit.
two side. Now income tax paid here, right? I am writing here. Income tax paid. How much now? 70,000 now?
Yes, sir.
Correct now? If provision here and there. Correct, right? What right now?
If provision adjusted and income tax why we are.
See, land account, land purchasing, where you are writing? Here only, right? To bank. Purchase, we are writing debit side. Recall on that. Purchase, we are writing where? Land and building, we saw on before only on some.
Yes, sir.
Purchase, we are writing debit side.
Yes, sir.
Sale, we are writing credit side.
Credit side.
Correct, right? Paid amount. So this we are writing to bank. In bracket, income tax paid, you write. Provision here, there. Provision I am telling you. Next one. This also double entry is over. Here 1 entry, there 1 entry, right? Next one,
Depreciation.
depreciation.
Return of.
Now, to depreciation
Return of.
on machinery.
Yes, sir.
How much?
20,000.
I say 4,000. I should
And
pass
land
one more entry, right?
Yes, sir.
And depreciation on
45,000.
depreciation on what? Land, land and building
45,000.
5,000. 1 entry, 1 more entry, right?
Yes, sir.
To depreciation
By
adjusted.
adjusted profit and loss account, 24,000.
by
By adjusted profit and loss account, 45,000. 5,000.
next one.
That's it, sir.
See, your sum is finished on. First and close this. This side is more. This side, this side. 3,60,000. This one, 3,60,000. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Difference amount, what, by bank, right? Sale you are writing, Mama. Sale you are writing, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
How much difference, sir?
76,000.
70? Correct, sir. Sure, right?
Yes, sir.
Difference in credit side, you write bank, sale, here purchase. So, by bank, 76,000. We purchase, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, I should transfer to this, where? I purchased, sorry, I
Sales,
sold,
sir.
no, I sold, right?
Yes, sir.
Receiving the paying. Company is receiving amount.
Yes, sir.
Correct, right? Sale of
Machinery.
machinery,
76,000.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
That is closed. Next one, land and building account, this side more, this side.
5 lakh 25. 5 lakh
5 lakh
25,000.
25,000. 5 lakh 25,000 na? Correct na?
Yes, sir.
So bank, how much?
75,000.
This is purchase of
Land and building.
building. How much?
75,000.
Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Next one, say here is tally only, right? 5 lakh, 5 lakh. See, check once. Both the sides tally, right?
Sir, 5 lakh 70.
Hey, I wrote wrong one. I should write here only, right?
Yes, sir.
All are silent only. No one are telling why I should write wrote there. No, that's wrong. No.
Yes, sir.
We prepared provision for tax. Any tax alert I should write here only, not there. To bank income tax to write how much now? 75,000. Correct? 70,000. I transferred there, right? That's correct. Now 5 lakh,
Yes, sir.
it is tally only. Here,
1 lakh 50, sir.
this is more, right?
Yes, sir. 1
lakh
lakh 50.
50,000, 1 lakh 50,000.
90,000, sir.
Provision.
Provision.
Adjusted profit and loss account in bracket, right?
Provision.
How much?
90,000.
90,000, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
new provision.
2.
New provision, I should write where here, right?
Yes, sir. 2.
2.
Provision for taxation.
How much?
90,000, sir.
Next up. Schedule changes total. Yes. 250 plus.
14.
5 lakh?
14,000.
5 lakh 14, ah?
Yes, sir.
A, why?
98,000.
3 lakh?
98,000.
This is B. Only one already, ah?
Yes, sir.
Connected only one, ah? Check one question, karo. Only credit, ah?
Yes, sir.
Working capital, A minus B, 2,14,000, right?
Yes, sir.
This
1 lakh 38,000.
1 lakh
38,000.
38,000. Here is more, ah?
Yes, sir.
2,14,000, 2,14,000. The difference you write?
76,000. 6,000.
This side is more here, ah? Maybe this side is more. Check once.
Yes, sir.
How much, ah?
1 lakh 18,000.
1 lakh?
18,000.
1 lakh 80,000. You should get same only, huh? Targeting, huh?
40.
This should be same,
Yes,
huh?
sir. Yes, sir.
You should get
76,000.
same only.
76,000.
76, right? Decrease in working capital, not increase. So decrease in
Working capital.
decrease in working capital. How much, huh?
76,000.
Minus, right? This one now?
Yes, sir.
This side is more. Fast. Total 3 lakh
81,000.
3 lakh 81,000. Difference amount
3 lakh 17,000.
from operation
3 lakh 17.
3 lakh
17,000.
3 lakh 70,000. Fund from operation 3 lakh 17,000. Total of
3 lakh 93,000. 93,000.
here also you should get same only. Check once. If you get same only by subtracting 76,000, both should be tally only. Huh? Check once.
Correct, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.